Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn to Earn Minds. Today I'm going to show how to create a Microsoft Bing account 2024 and how to make the most out of it. Bing is Microsoft's search engine, and having an account can unlock some great features and personalized experiences. So, let's dive right in. Things first, let's create your Bing account. It's simple and free. All you need is an email address. Open your web browser and go to bing.com. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click Sign In with a personal account now. Now, click on Create One below the sign-in form. Fill out the form with your email address. You will be able to access this interface. You have to enter your first name and last name. For example, I type Hina as my first name and Khan as my last name. Click on Next. You can select your country by clicking here. You have to select your date of birth. Click on Next. Next step is to verify your Gmail account. To complete the registration process, you need to enter the verification code you receive via email. Verifying your Gmail account is the next step. Now copy the code, paste it here. Now click on Next. On Next, now you will use the arrows to rotate the object in the direction of the hand. Now click on Submit. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Bing account. Now you are free to use it. Let's create an image. First, we go to Images. Now click on Create. Now you have to enter your prompt. For example, I write, "A cute cat." Click on Join and Create. This process will take some time. You will receive 15 credits every day. After a while, it generated 4 pictures for us. You can see the result. Let's try another prompt. I write, "A cute parrot." Wow, it has generated 4 cute pictures of parrots for us. You can see the result. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your Bing account and learning how to use it effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.